A warm welcome to this session of Electrician Trade. Today, we are going to see measurement of current carrying capacity of a conductor for given power supply. At the end of this session, you will be able to identify and select three different conductors, that is, copper, aluminium and alloy. Connect the circuit and measure the breaking current of the conductor. Electrician toolkit and equipments required. Electrician toolkit DC ammeter 0 to 10 amperes, DC voltmeter 0 to 15 volts, lead acid battery 12 volts 60 ampere hour, rheostat, wooden board with switch 16 amperes 250 volts, 32 SWG copper conductor 10 cm, 32 SWG aluminium conductor 10 cm, 32 SWG alloy conductor 10 cm, 2.5 square millimeter connecting copper wires, standard wire gauge. Conductors. Before getting into our exercise, let us have a brief view on conductor materials. Conductors are those substances through which electricity can flow. There are different types of conductor materials available. Let us see some of them. Copper conductors. Copper has high conductivity, greater tensile strength, high current density. It has more current carrying capacity per unit cross-sectional area. Copper was a preferred material for overhead conductors, but due to its higher cost, it is rarely used. Copper conductors are available in both bare conductor and insulated copper conductors. Aluminium conductors. Aluminium conductor has about 60% of conductivity of copper conductor and has almost half the weight of the copper conductor. Since it has an edge over copper, they are being widely used for overhead conductors. Alloy conductors. There are many other metals and combination of one or more metals called as alloys are available that conduct electricity. Copper cadmium alloys are high cost conductors. At extreme conditions, high strength alloys such as phosphor bronze are also used. Every conductor material has its own property. One of the properties of the conductor is the current carrying capacity of the conductor. The current carrying capacity of the conductors. The current carrying capacity of the conductors is the maximum value of the current that the conductor can be carried continuously without exceeding its specified temperature rating. So, it is necessary to know the current carrying capacity of the conductor. Connect the circuit and measure the breaking current of the conductor. Now, let us start our exercise. We are now going to measure the current carrying capacity of the conductor for a given power supply. Check the tools, materials and instruments for their good condition. Now, for our exercise, let us select copper conductor, aluminium conductor and alloy conductor of 32 SWG of 10 cm in length each. Ensure all the conductor should have same SWG and length. First, connect the copper conductor on the test board as shown. Connect rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter and battery as shown. Keep rheostat at cold end, that is, in its maximum resistance position and switch on the circuit. Note the ammeter and voltmeter readings. Now move the rheostat to its middle position and note down the ammeter and voltmeter readings. Adjust furthermore the rheostat position to the hot end, that is, towards its minimum resistance position slowly while keeping a watch on the conductor. It may break now. If the conductor is not broken, then increase further the position of rheostat towards the hot end slowly till the conductor breaks and note down the corresponding meter readings. Note down the current value and this is the maximum current carrying capacity of the given copper conductor. Connect the aluminium and alloy conductor one by one and repeat the steps to find the maximum current capacity of the corresponding conductors and note them down in the table. Test results. From the tabulation value, we can conclude the current carrying capacity of a given conductor material. Maximum current capacity of copper conductor is 2.18 amperes. Maximum current capacity of aluminium conductor is 1.30 amperes. Maximum current capacity of alloy conductor is 0.87 amperes. Recap. In this session, we have learned how to identify and select three different conductors, that is copper, aluminium and alloy. Connect the circuit and measure the breaking current of the conductor. Hope you have understood all the concepts in this session. See you in the next session with a new concept. Thank you.